10 low-competition passive income businesses you can start to get rich, even if you're starting from zero. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. In today's economy, chasing traditional 9-to-5 income alone is no longer a strategy for building real wealth. The rich don't just earn money. They own systems. Assets that generate income around the clock without trading time for dollars. But here's what most people don't realize. Not all passive income is created equal. Some opportunities are saturated and overhyped. Others are hidden in plain sight, underserved low-competition business models that most people overlook because they're not trendy or instantly viral. And yet, these are often the most profitable, sustainable, and scalable ways to get rich quietly. As someone who helps individuals and families build long-term wealth, I've spent years dissecting what works. This is not theory. This is real-world, practical, start-now material. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Here are 10 under-the-radar passive income businesses you can start, even if you're a complete beginner, including how to get started, required tools, realistic income expectations, and how far you can scale each one. 1. Audiobook publishing in micro-niches. Why it's powerful. Audiobooks are exploding. But everyone's competing in the same broad topics: self-help, motivation, and finance. The opportunity? Hyper-niche audiobooks in fields with demand, but almost no supply. Think. Safety training for truck drivers. Organic gardening for seniors. Chiropractic tips for new parents. How to start. Research niche topics using Amazon's audiobook bestseller categories. Use ChatGPT or a writer from Upwork to create a short manuscript, 5,000 to 10,000 words. Hire a narrator via voices.com. Upload to ACX, Audible's platform. Earnings: $100 to $500 per month per audiobook. 5 books equals $1,000 plus per month in passive royalties. Scalability: high. Once uploaded, royalties come in for years with no extra effort. 2. Digital template sales on Etsy, hyper-niche. Why it's powerful. While Etsy is known for digital planners and wedding invites, the real gold is in low-competition functional templates. Property management forms, church bulletins, birthday scavenger hunts, farm record logs. How to start. Use Etsy keyword tools like Marmalade to find underserved templates. Create using Canva Pro or Google Sheets. Open your Etsy store and upload with SEO-optimized titles. Earnings: $5 to $25 per sale. 100 to 500 sales / month equals $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Scalability: high. Each template is a one-time effort. Evergreen. 3. Children's books with AI illustration. Why it's powerful. Most creators avoid children's books because of illustration costs. But now, tools like Midjourney or DALL-E make it possible to create stunning books without hiring an artist. How to start. Write a simple 24 to 32 page story. ChatGPT can help outline. Generate illustrations with AI. Format using BookBolt or Canva. Upload to Amazon KDP. Earnings: $2 to $6 per copy. A single good book can make $500 to $2,000 per month. Scalability: Very high. Series and seasonal books multiply earnings. 4. Notion templates for specific audiences. Why it's powerful. Notion users are hungry for done-for-you dashboards. Yet most templates are generic. The real winners? Highly targeted use cases. Daily workflow for ADHD entrepreneurs. Goal tracker for homeschool moms. Freelance writers CRM. How to start. Create functional, aesthetic templates using Notion. Upload to Gumroad or Ko-Fi. Share in Facebook groups, Reddit, or TikTok for free organic reach. Earnings. $10 to $50 per template. Viral templates equals $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Scalability. Medium to high. Templates sell forever and bundle well. 5. Licensing background music and sound effects. Why it's powerful. YouTubers, filmmakers, app developers, and even podcasters are constantly buying rights to use non-copyrighted audio. You can produce simple ambient music, cinematic transitions, or sound effects and earn forever from downloads. How to start. Create simple loops with GarageBand, Logic Pro, or FL Studio. Upload to Audio Jungle, Pond 5, and Vado Elements. Tag carefully for discovery. Keywords matter. Earnings. $2 to $50 per download. With 100 plus files, earnings of $1,000 to $3,000 per month are realistic. Scalability. High. Set and forget business. Expand to YouTube for extra reach. 6. Monetize local business expertise into courses. Why it's powerful. You don't need to be an influencer to teach something valuable. If you've ever built a successful local business, car detailing, dog grooming, pool cleaning, you can teach others how to do the same. How to start. Outline your step-by-step process. Record with your phone or webcam. Upload to Teachable, Gumroad, or even YouTube members. Promote on Reddit, Facebook groups, or niche forums. Earnings. $47 to $297 per student. $5,000 plus per month with just 20 to 50 sales. Scalability. Huge. People will always pay to skip the trial and error. 7. Automated YouTube channels for ambient content. Why it's powerful. No voice. No face. Just looping visuals and royalty-free music. And they generate tens of thousands of views every day. Popular topics. Rainy coffee shop ambience. Nature walks. Fireplace and jazz sounds. Study timers. How to start. Use stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay. Add music, check license terms. Edit in CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. Monetize with AdSense plus affiliate links. Earnings. $500 to $3,000 per month with 100K, 500K monthly views. Add digital products, study guides, timers for extra profit. Scalability. High. Evergreen content performs for years. 8. Airbnb host welcome kits, digital products. Why it's powerful. Most Airbnb hosts are busy. Many are not tech-savvy. Offering plug-and-play digital guest books saves them time and improves their reviews. How to start. Design a customizable welcome kit in Canva Pro. Offer variations for different cities. List on Etsy, Gumroad, or reach out in Airbnb forums. Earnings. $15 to $75 per kit. Top sellers make $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Scalability. Medium. Turn into a service agency later or license to realtors. 9. Rent tools on Fat Llama or ShareGrid. Why it's powerful. Most people don't realize they're sitting on assets that could make them money. Cameras, drones, lawnmowers, projectors, all of it is in demand locally. How to start? Buy or list your own gear on Fat Llama, ShareGrid, or local marketplaces. Use simple booking forms or calendars, Google Calendar, Calendly. Meet or deliver with deposit requirements. Earnings: $30 to $200 per day per item. 5 to 10 active items equals $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Scalability: medium. Consider expanding into events or tools niche. 10. Small town printables business. Why it's powerful. Most people forget about local markets when building digital products. But schools, clubs, churches, and municipalities are still paper-based and will gladly pay for convenience. How to start? Design calendars, directories, coupon books, or schedule templates. Reach out via email, local Facebook groups, or town websites. Sell digital licenses or packages via Payhip, Sendowl, or PDF delivery tools. Earnings: $5 to $50 per download/license. Multiple towns equals $500 to $5,000 per month. Scalability: niche but incredibly low competition. Wealth favors the focused, not the famous. It's easy to get distracted chasing the next shiny thing. But real passive income is about quiet, consistent execution in places others ignore. You don't need to go viral. You need to go valuable. Choose just one of these business models. Go deep. Build your first product. Launch. Improve. Then scale. You don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. And I promise you this: 5 years from now, your only regret will be not starting sooner. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.